In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Business Profile link in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to share your business profile with customers, post it on social media, or include it in your marketing materials, having direct access to this link can really streamline the process. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Business Profile. Do this by opening up your preferred internet browser and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. This is crucial as you need to be logged in to access your specific business information. Once you're logged in, head over to your business profile. This is where all of your business's information is stored on Google, including your address, operating hours, and customer reviews. You'll want to ensure that this information is both accurate and up to date, as it's what your customers will see. After ensuring that your business profile is all set, your next step is to click on the Maps photo. This is essentially how your business appears on Google Maps, a key feature for customers trying to find your location or just learn more about where your business is situated. Moving on, the next action you'll take is to click on the Share button. This option is incredibly handy for quickly sending your business's location or profile to customers or friends. It ensures that you're directing people to the right place. Finally, you'll come to the most important step, clicking Copy Link. This is the crucial step where you actually obtain your Google Business Profile link. Once you've clicked this, your unique URL is now saved to your clipboard and ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Remember, this link is a powerful tool for your business. It enables customers to easily find your profile on Google, see your reviews, and learn more about what you offer. You can share this link on your business's social media pages, include it in your email signatures, or even add it to your business cards. The possibilities are endless, and having quick, direct access to your Google Business Profile can significantly benefit your business's online presence. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes or less, you've successfully obtained your Google Business Profile link. Now you can share your business with the world much more efficiently. Don't forget to keep your profile updated, engage with your customers through reviews, and utilize this link to maximize your online visibility. Thanks for watching, and here's to your business's success.